So in this video today, I'm going to tell you exactly how to use a weightlifting belt to get the best results. Now, why should you use a weightlifting belt? A couple of reasons. First, it's going to create more compression in your midsection, which can allow you to lift more weight, which is going to allow you to use safer technique, and is going to basically make you a little more tighter here. And that just can make the movements a little bit safer. But the main reason people use it is to lift more weight, because when you create more compression, everything's more stable and you're able to put more load on the bar or on the movement that you're doing. That's the top reason. So to use a belt, I like this belt. It's a Velcro belt. It's obviously vegan. It's no leather here. And you're gonna put it around your stomach, right on top of the belly button. That's where I like to use it. Maybe a little bit higher, but almost on top of the belly button. You're gonna make it really, really tight. So you're gonna really inhale in, like make your stomach, make your waist small, make it tight, make it tight. You almost have like a little, it feels uncomfortable when you have it on properly. Like right now, this is very uncomfortable. Like I wouldn't go out to walk like this. I wouldn't spend like 10 minutes like this. You shouldn't feel comfortable when you're using the belt. The way you use it is very simple. You're gonna inhale before you do the movement, before you're gonna lift the weight. You're gonna inhale through your stomach and you're gonna push your stomach out. Like this needs to be pushed out. Imagine you wanna pop it off with your stomach. Imagine you're taking a poop really hard. And that's how you create the compression in your midsection. So kind of like this, you inhale, and you probably heard the Velcro a little bit trying to come off, because that's exactly what I'm trying to do. So let's say you're doing a squat. You unrack the bar, you're at the top. So you're at the top with the squat. Before you start the movement, you're gonna inhale through your stomach and you're gonna push out and create that compression. So you go like this. Then you do the full squat without breathing. Yes, you do the full rep without breathing. And I gotta take this off because it's becoming uncomfortable. You do the full rep without breathing, and then if you want to exchange the air, you do it at the top again, and you do the same thing. And you do it again. Let's say you want to deadlift. You're here. You're gonna grab the bar. You grab the bar. You're loosen up. Then you inhale. You get tight, and then you lift the weight. Okay. And you can use it mainly for compound movement. So squat, I like to use it mainly for squats and deadlifts, and that could be any compound leg movements, leg presses, hack squats, front squats, any type of deadlift, conventional, stiff-legged deadlift, Romanian deadlift. I love to use the belt. It has a big impact. It can also help you out with upper body movements. If you're doing a press, for example, standing press, it's gonna help a lot. It's gonna provide a lot of tightness in the midsection. It can help a little bit on the bench press if you know how to use it properly, but you'll see the biggest impact when you're having to hold weight, like when a weight is on top of you. So, you know, hack squat, hey press, you're holding the weight here. And that's how you use the belt. If you use it properly, for me, it allows me to lift at least 5 to 10% more weight on the bar. More like 5%. The more advanced you get, the harder it is to add weight. So more like 5% more weight whenever I'm doing a lift. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you use the belt properly. And if you want some help with your fitness, training, nutrition, everything, make sure you click on the link on the description to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. That's it for now. Julian here, signing off.